Preparing main document for mail merge. Mail merge lets you create a batch of documents that are personalized for each recipient. For example, a form letter might be personalized to address each recipient by name. Another example is report card for students. It might be personalized by name, class, and grade. Actually, the document here is template or form to be filled, personalized, from data source. How to do. In a document or a blank Word document. 1. Click on the Mailings tab. 2. In the Start Mail Merge group, click Start Mail Merge. 3. Click Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. 4. Select your document type, i.e., letters. 5. Press Next. 6. Select the starting document. Select the current document or start from template or start from existing document. 7. Press Next. Next, we will learn how to add recipients. Let's now add some text required for the invitation card. Shortcut. To start step-by-step mail merge wizard, press Alt, then M, then S, then W.